6 of the most impressive keto diet before and after pictures. If you're looking for dieting inspiration, it's hard to beat keto diet before and after pictures. These people show how amazing the popular ultra-low-carb, high-fat diet trend can be. Read their stories, get their advice, and take in their impressive photos. 1. Julie Smith. The keto Instagram community is so supportive. It's hard for Julie Smith to name just one favorite keto meal. Bunless burgers, egg roll in a bowl, fathead dough pizzas, and just plain bacon and eggs. The best part of the keto diet is the delicious food I get to eat while still managing to lose weight, she says. The list could go on forever. When she first started her keto journey, Smith knew the food was delicious, but she didn't realize the best part of the diet would come from people she'd never met. I found a few Instagram accounts who really motivated me to start my journey, says Smith, who has lost 60 pounds in just over a year. Those people have now become some of my closest online friends, and we talk frequently. After so many people helped her begin her keto journey, Smith says she now wants to help others. If people have questions, I want them to feel like they can reach out to me, or anyone else, for some encouragement. 2. Harvey Mayo. I weigh the same as I did in my final year of grade school. I've been overweight my entire life, says Harvey Mayo, a 42-year-old sales manager in Colchester, VT. I'm hoping that my story will inspire others to make healthy lifestyle changes and let people know that it's never too late to do it. Indeed, Mayo started his keto journey almost 2 years ago and dropped 185 pounds in under 18 months. After a friend took the picture of me that you see, I started my keto journey, he says. That picture was the straw that broke the camel's back. I woke up the next morning, and I've never looked back. In addition to enjoying the many keto foods he finds so delicious, Mayo also started moving. I promise you it wasn't just the food. Get active, says Mayo. Start with something as simple as taking a walk every day. That's what I did. After you get comfortable with that, challenge yourself with a light jog or hop on the elliptical at the gym, and take it slow at first. 3. Joanna Wilcox Keto was a miracle diet for me. In her first year on the keto diet, 33-year-old Joanna Wilcox lost 60 pounds. The best part is eating high-fat foods like bacon without any guilt, she says. It's also great to not struggle with the up and down insulin swings and constant hunger like before. Wilcox, who runs at Keto in Canada, has lost lots of weight but gained almost 86,000 followers, plus loads of confidence and perspective. I feel completely satisfied, and I'm the healthiest I have been in my entire life, she says. Clothes fit amazing, and I no longer struggle with cravings. Wilcox encourages people curious about the keto diet to set their minds to it and give it their best for 3 months. Commit to yourself and your new way of eating, and it will be worth it in the end, she says. A surefire way to stick to keto is to enjoy the food you're eating, like these keto diet recipes that's so good, you'll forget it's part of a diet. 4. Nicki Kirton. It's not always going to be easy, but it is 100% worth it. Nicki Kirton had let cycles of binge eating and emotional rebounds ratchet her weight up to 350 pounds. She wanted a solution, but she felt stuck. In the summer of 2017, a friend reached out to me and asked me if I'd ever heard of the keto diet, the 30-year-old development and marketing coordinator from Winnipeg, Canada says. I had, and I have some friends who had had great success with it. Kirton was also familiar with the diet because she was diagnosed with PCOS as a young teenager, and keto is one of the diets recommended for women with this condition. With this in mind, Kirton decided to try the low-carb, high-fat diet, and was ecstatic about her results. I am now down almost 100 pounds since I started keto in September, with about another 70 left to lose, says Kirton. I have finally found something that works, and that is giving me consistent weight loss results, and that is the biggest motivator. 5. Ken Baker. I had a vision of being heavier if I didn't do something soon. After being out of the Navy for almost a decade, Ken Baker, a 54-year-old veteran and podcast host, saw that his weight and his waistline were expanding more than he'd like. I was really starting to think about the next 5 to 10 years of my life and what that would hold, he says. I would look around and see guys my age and 10 years older, and what was really an eye-opener was that everyone's gut was larger. Baker discovered the keto diet and learned its ins and outs through YouTube videos and other keto experts' advice. He dropped 10 pounds in 1 month and another 40 in just 5 months, but when you lose close to 50 pounds, you look 10 years younger, and you are half the man you were. Taking these weight loss before and after photos for the motivation you need to get started. 6. Taemin Kim, I was fed up with being lethargic and bloated all the time. A trip to the doctor's office in early 2017 gave Taemin Kim, an entrepreneur living in Charlotte, North Carolina, a new direction on his diet and lifestyle. He was diagnosed with celiac disease, a condition that causes an immune reaction to gluten, a protein found in many wheat and grain products. In fact, some symptoms of the gluten allergy are so subtle that it's important to know what to watch out for. After that day, I decided it was time for a change, he says. The keto diet helped Kim regain his energy, drop nearly 40 pounds, and decrease his body fat percentage to his goal level. I have tried a lot of different diets in the past, but none of them was as easy as the ketogenic diet, Kim says. The keto diet is extremely sustainable due to the fact that I get to eat a lot of delicious foods. Kim says another great thing about the keto diet is the mental clarity and energy he's found. If you need motivation, these success stories will give you the motivation you need to get started on your weight loss journey. Like any diet, consult with a doctor before you begin. If you're ready to make life changes, subscribe to the Good Life channel and find out what you can do to improve your life. Thank you for coming this far with us. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget click the notification bell to alert you each time we post a new video. Bye for now.